I completed my law from Jitendra Chavan College in 2008, and then I was working as a full-time litigation lawyer at Thane Court, at Thane District Court. And since last year, I have joined a company known as Millie Steels Private Limited. It's an MSME, so I'm an in-house lawyer for them. I take care of all the legal things over there. And in between, we uh, we thought that we should have a trademark portfolio, like IP portfolio. For that, need required me to search about what is trademark, what is IP, and I came across Law Seco, and this is the way how I came to know. And I saw the number of Ramanuj sir. I thought whether I should call him, whether I should message him, but I messaged him and he immediately called me, and I had a very good conversation with him. He explained me in detail how things will go around in executive course of trademark and licensing, and immediately I enrolled, and it has been a very helpful course for me. I learned the importance of trademark. I learned first of all importance of what is IP, and then the trademark. How you need to procedurally file a trademark. How you need to maintain that. In books or on Google, you can just have a look in detail about what is a trademark. But in this course, the way it has been designed, it was really very helpful from the start of the course, like how you need to find a good trademark, in which class you should register, and how you should register, which forms are available for registration for a private proprietor or a company. And once you get into registration process, the further process where examination in reply will come, where objections will come, how you need to reply to the examination objections. Then, if in case opposition comes, how you need to reply an opposition, how you file a opposition, how you need to file a counter. In detail, step by step, Niharika ma'am has explained us in detail about the practical procedure where trademark office, where wherein in trademark office how the procedure goes on, that was explained to us in detail. Once our company decided that we should have a good trademark portfolio, and since 19 this company is incorporated since 1995, and we use few marks which are registered and few marks are not registered. So by doing this course, I got to know the importance of trademark, brand value, brand identity. And in this whole during when the course was on, we filed not more than 60 to 80 trademarks. And while filing, there were a lot of procedural things came up, like few got objected, few went into hearing. So step by step, i was I got the knowledge from the online course, and that completely helped me to do the practical things. I attended hearings. I filed examination in reply. Only after attending this course and with the help of this course, I was able to attend the hearing. I was able to file reply of examination department. I was able to file counter statement. I was able to file oppositions also. And very important thing is, one of the persons I have came across, that few people are using our mark. One person is using our mark, so we have filed rectification in Chennai. So this came in my mind only after doing this whole course. So it has been a major help. Niharika ma'am has been very cooperative from the day one. During the session, if we had any query, we used to raise hand and ma'am used to solve the query. But after the session is over and until the next week's session, we have it on Thursday 8 to 9. So in between, in our day-to-day life, if it has been twice, thrice, I have come across somewhere and I have stuck. So immediately I WhatsApp on our group, that is trademark licensing group is there. Sir and ma'am have formed that group. So I have immediately asked my query, and ma'am, within a few minutes, few hours, once she is free from her routine work, she has definitely answered me that you have to go like this, you have to do like this. In fact, after joining this course only, I have filed my attorney code, and I have got the attorney code, and I have myself filed several trademark applications. So always ma'am has been cooperative. Whenever we have query, we always WhatsApp them. Ma'am replies us, and in case when we are unable to get the answer on WhatsApp, ma'am has always told us this is the time when you can call me, and over the phone she has always answered. I think this trademark licensing should be done by lawyers, because if we are practicing lawyers, civil, criminal, 138, matrimonial things come up. But trademark is a field where litigating lawyers hardly put on their hands. It is only there are lawyers who do trademark, either there are lawyers who do civil and criminal. So I think lawyers who are into civil and criminal should definitely do this, because trademark is something which is very important part of legal system. And since like so many MSMEs have come up, so many businesses are developing, the mark which people use, they don't know how to protect that mark. It is a property which does not in the eyes of general people, they don't know the importance of trademark, they don't know the importance of brand value, brand identity. So all the MSMEs, they should do their they should do this. Legal count I'm sorry in-house legal managers who take care of the legal department of companies should definitely do this course. This will be a great help to company where lawyers are working. I'm really happy with Law Seco, and there are so many courses, and it is very easy. You just have to give your time. I mean, once in a week, like 3 to 4 hours is more than enough. Once we give that, we are benefited so much. Sitting home or sitting in office, we can get to know so many practical things. And I personally want to pursue one more course from Law Seco, that is insolvency wala course. I think I have recommended my all friends to definitely do some or the other course from Law Seco, because the pattern which is followed by Law Seco, like they have intensely got into the course, and they have designed the exercises in such a manner that any person who has no knowledge about that topic can definitely learn so many things from it. So I'm really happy with Law Seco. I'm really happy with the team. Whenever I'm stuck up somewhere, I call up anyone. They all are helpful to me. And special thanks to Ramanuj sir, special thanks to Abhyuday Agarwal sir, and especially Niharika ma'am. She has been very lovely person who helps to share knowledge, the maximum knowledge which she has. Ma'am always tries to share with us. So I'm really thank you.